Good morning, everybody. Last day I have started the polynomials and I have discussed all the concept of the polynomials regarding it. So today I'm going to start the topic with the value of the polynomial. Now try to understand what the topic is. So one just example I have taken here, x square minus 3x plus 4. So from this example, what the basic thing we can just tell about the polynomial is that, see, 1, 2, 3. Three terms are there, so it just lie in the category of the trinomials because three terms are there. Now here power is 2, here is power is 1, so maximum power is 2. It means it is a kind of a quadratic polynomial. Okay, now value of the polynomial. So what is the value of the polynomial? Try to understand. So if we wanted to find the value of the polynomial, so we just suppose that polynomial x square minus 3x plus 4x plus 4 is equals to px. तो ये जो पॉलिनोमियल है उसको हमने एज अ px के जैसा एज्यूम कर लिया. नाउ द वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग इज दैट हियर आई हैव रिटन x why x because you can see that in this polynomial the variable is x. If in this polynomial a variable is y, then I might have written here py. I have written here p. You can write anything. You can write a, b, c, d, x, y, z, anything you can write. I've just taken simply as a p because the p also represent the polynomial also. So I've written here px is equals to x square minus 3x plus 4. Now, if you wanted to find the value of this polynomial, so what is the value of the polynomial? Try to understand. In the place of x, if I will just give you any number, if I will just give you any number that lies on the number line. So if you are going to replace x with that number and you can just solve it to find the value of that polynomial. So for example, if I wanted to find the value of this polynomial, here written p0 means we have to just place in the we have to just place 0 in the place of x. If you wanted to find p1, we have to place 1 in the place of x. In the place of x, again we can put -1 and we can find the value of the polynomial, different values. So suppose px equal to x square minus 3x plus 4. Now if I wanted to find the value of this polynomial at x equal to 0, so how I can write? See here, p0 is equal to, so in the place of x I have written 0, means we have to replace all the x with 0 only. So here x is replaced by 0. Again here x is replaced by 0 and 4 as it is. Now 0 square 0 minus 3 into 0, 0 and plus 4. So after solving we have got here 4. What does it mean? Therefore we can say the value of this polynomial at x equal to 4. मतलब ये जो polynomial है, इस polynomial का value 4 होगा. कब? जब आप x के जगह पे आप 0 रखेंगे तब. Okay. Another example we can also take. If you wanted to find the value of this polynomial at x equal to 1, so same thing we are going to do again. The question is that px is equals to x square minus 3x plus 4. So we are just going to replace x by the help of 1. So see here, in the place of x I have written here 1. So 1 square 3 into 1 plus 4. So 1 square 1, 3 into 1 3 and here 4. Now one more thing, here do not solve here 1 minus 3 एज अ -2, है ना. यहाँ पे ये करने की जरूरत नहीं है क्योंकि हम लोग हमेशा बोर्ड मास रूल को फॉलो करते हैं और बोर्ड मास रूल में हमेशा पहले एडिशन आता है फिर सब्सट्रैक्शन. दैट्स व्हाई फर्स्ट 1 plus 4 वी हैव रिटन हियर 5, देन हियर -3. आफ्टर सॉल्विंग वी हैव गॉट हियर 2. So what we can say, the value of this polynomial is 2 at x equal to 1. The value of this polynomial at x equal to 2. मतलब इस पॉलिनोमियल का वैल्यू जब आप x के जगह पे 1 रखोगे तो वो होगा 2. तो वैसे आप कोई भी पॉलिनोमियल का कुछ भी वैल्यू निकाल सकते हो. अगर मैं आपको कोई भी एक नंबर दे दूं जो कि नंबर लाइन पे एग्जिस्ट करता है, आप इजिली आप उस नंबर को इस पॉलिनोमियल में पुट करके उस पॉलिनोमियल का वैल्यू निकाल सकते हो. तो दिस इज ओनली कॉल्ड द वैल्यू ऑफ द पॉलिनोमियल. नाउ द नेक्स्ट टॉपिक इज द जीरो ऑफ द पॉलिनोमियल. तो ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट इज द जीरो ऑफ द पॉलिनोमियल. लेट px बी अ पॉलिनोमियल इफ एट x इक्वल टू a pa equal to 0, then a is 0 of the polynomial. इसका मतलब क्या है वो देखिए. Suppose we have just given here one example 2x minus 4. So this is an example of a polynomial. So I've written here px equal to 2x minus 4. So if in the place of x I can just replace x with any of the number and we can find the value. Suppose here I have replaced the x with the 2. So 2 into 2 here, 2 into 2 minus 4. 2 2s are 4 and minus 4 0. I can just find this the value of the polynomial by putting some other number also. Suppose x equal to 1. So x equal to 1 I have put in. So p1 is equals to 2 into 1 minus 4. So 2 1 is 2 minus 4 equal to 2. So we can just find any value of this polynomial by replacing the value of the x by any of the integers. Now definitely a time will come that then if you are going to replace the x with any of the number and the whole polynomial will become 0, so that the value of that x is only called the 0 of the polynomial. जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल इस क्वेश्चन में आप देखो x की जगह पे अगर मैंने 2 रखा तो वो पूरा polynomial को सॉल्व करने पे 0 आया, x की जगह पे 1 रखा तो polynomial को सॉल्व करने पे -2 आया. वैसे ही x की जगह पे आप कोई भी नंबर को पुट करते हो तो सॉल्व करने के बाद उस polynomial का वैल्यू कुछ ना कुछ मिलेगा. लेकिन डेफिनेटली एक टाइम ऐसा आएगा कि x का एक ऐसा वैल्यू आपको मिलेगा जब उसको आप उस पॉलिनोमियल में रखोगे तो पूरा पॉलिनोमियल को सॉल्व करने पे आंसर आएगा 0, है ना. तो x का वो वैल्यू जिसको रखने पे वो पूरा पॉलिनोमियल 0 हो जाता है, तो वही x का वैल्यू को हम लोग बोलते हैं दैट इज द 0. तो हियर यू सी इन द प्लेस ऑफ x if we have just replaced the x with the 2, we after solving we have got 0. तो we can say that x equal to 2 is the 0 of the polynomial. मतलब x का वो वैल्यू जिसको रखने पे पूरा पॉलिनोमियल 0 हो जाता है, दैट इज ओनली कॉल्ड द 0 ऑफ द पॉलिनोमियल. नाउ नंबर ऑफ जीरोस. अब यहाँ पे क्वेश्चन आता है कि ठीक है x का एक ऐसा वैल्यू मेरे को मिल जाएगा जिसको अगर मैं x की जगह पे रखूंगा तो पूरा पॉलिनोमियल 0 हो जाएगा. नाउ द क्वेश्चन सेज कि एक पॉलिनोमियल में कितने सारे जीरोस होंगे, मतलब x का कितना सारा हमको ऐसा वैल्यू मिलेगा जिसको रिप्लेस करने पे वो पूरा पॉलिनोमियल